How to fix OBS Studio keeps crashing on Windows 10 or Windows 11. Hello everyone, and let's get started. Here are a few techniques that you can apply to fix this issue. So the very first one is you just have to open your settings. Once you click on settings, you have to then tap on system from the left side of the screen. Once you tap on it, click on display. Scroll down a bit and under related settings, you will see advanced display and graphics. Tap on graphics. Now, in this list, you have to search for your OBS Studio. Once you do so, you just have to tap on it. Then click on options and from the graphics preferences, select on high performance. Then after, click on save. This is one way to do so. Moving on to the second step, go on the search bar and search for Windows Defender Firewall. Once you tap on it, it will open a new tab. On this tab, you have to click on Allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. It is usually available on the top left corner. Tap on the link and a new page will open. Now you have to click on Change Settings. Scroll down and then find the OBS Studio. Once you do so, click on both of the options, that is private and public, and also click on the OBS Studio itself. If you do not find it here, you can tap on Allow another app. Once you click on it, it will browse through your file explorer. You simply have to click on the location where you have installed your OBS Studio. After that, follow the same step, that is ticking on it and selecting both private and public. Once you have done so, click on Open. Then after, you need to add it. Now, restart your device once. Once that is done, what you can do is right-click on your OBS Studio icon and then click on Run as Administrator. This should probably fix the issue. So that's all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.